My name is Rebecca Blumberg. I currently live in Sydney in Australia, and I am a newly admitted solicitor or attorney, and I work in a small criminal defense and family law firm here in the city. I think the biggest moment for me is realizing that I can't control others. I think that's been a huge kind of learning curve for me. And also learning not to take things personally. So kind of those things go hand in hand. Yes, in reaching my goals through my sessions with Emily, I've already learned to not always jump to conclusions. I think that's a huge thing that Emily's taught me is to, yeah, always take a moment just to think about how I'm going to react, and or not even react, respond. I think that's a big thing that I've learned with Emily is not to react, it's to kind of respond after I've taken a moment to, think about what's just occurred, and not just kind of, jump in at the first moment. The other thing is, remembering why I'm doing the work I'm doing. I think that that's something that's been huge for me. And I've also learned, when I'm dealing with perhaps difficult clients or difficult situations at work, to be able to remember, those reasons why I'm doing what I'm doing, and not let myself be brought down by a challenging case or a challenging set of facts that might make me feel perhaps a little bit despondent in my work. I'm able to come back to the list of why, or the reasons why I'm doing the work that I'm doing. And that helps me to kind of reset my mindset, and allow me to remember that this is a means to an end. Yes, the big thing for me is being able to kind of have this little voice in my head while I'm at work. That's been a huge thing for me. Being able to remember the sessions that I have with Emily, and remember that, there is so much that I've learned, and I'm able to draw on so many new skills that I never thought that I would be able to develop, whether that is, not taking things personally, as I've already said, which has been a huge struggle for me, whether it's just learning that this is not necessarily, it's not necessarily the way that my trajectory of my career. I'm only in the beginning, and it's not about, it's taking steps one step at a time, and realizing that this is all part of the process.